This question from Holashans, Tilford. Can women present speeches at Jalsa Salana? If yes, why do women not present speeches at the Jalsa Salana in the United Kingdom?
You see, it cannot be declared as absolutely forbidden for women to address men. But the conclusion which we draw from this, but the conclusion which we draw is from the traditions of Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa Radhiyallahu Ta'ala Anha and other great ladies who directly addressed men. But the same situation does not apply equally to our jalsas. They were great pious ladies who were looked upon with deep respect by the people to whom they addressed. But in our jalsas, young girls, irresponsible persons possibly may address men, and when they do so, they will be well prepared with all their charms to impress the audience. These are the risks which you must avoid at all costs. That is why I have taken this decision never to permit ladies to participate in men's jalsa and directly address them. The next question which should arise would be, then why not make it a mixed gathering of men and women? And so many other problems will erupt from this. So whatever the practice of Indonesia is, or whatever you're talking about, I do not approve of such tendencies and strictly condemn them in the light of what I have said. Got it? Now I take leave. And I hope you will handle the rest of the time satisfactorily. Assalamu alaikum.